Om Hrim Krishna Namaha. Initially, when the Jivatma started functioning, everything was okay. Now, when Jivatmas having been given their own digestive system, their reproduction system, Jivatmas who were pious and pure tried to remain like the same. Whatever earlier first generation of Jivas which had come out from the Parmeshwar Paramatma itself, it was as they were as purest, as pure, as pious as Parmeshwar Paramatma himself. Now the first time when this reproduction system was introduced, this digestive system was introduced, the first generation which has come out of this one first reproduction of Jivatmas, those were also having same qualities, pious, pure qualities as of Parmeshwar Paramatma. Now everything was okay up till now over here. So these were all called as sages. You see, we have got Brahma, the Vishnu. Then as he has been, the Brahma has been given a power of from Vishnu. Brahma is son. Brahma's first generation. Subsequently, many years ago, it came as Narada. So Narada is a sage, purest quality as if of the Parmeshwar Paramatma. He is pious Jivatma. So now, few adapted the pious pure qualities. Subsequently, though second generation onwards, third generation, the Jiva and Atma. And this Jivatma is a combination of Mother Earth and Atma from Parameshwar. Mother Earth is our body. She represents our body. Inside our body is the water. The Mother Earth is being depicted, is being shown as she has created our skin as her representative, duly having water and fire inside. And this skin, Mother Earth, when up till the point when you see the when the Paramatma had created two Jivas, Purush and Stri Tattvas Jivas, he had created only romance. He has not created any further things. He wanted them to enjoy the romance. Now when the Mother Earth had come, so she has given the birth to skin. Now when we grow up more and more in the romance to the extent of the attachment with the skin, then it is manifested atrocities you acquired. Maya, the initial verse. Manifested atrocities you acquired. Book, that is lust. Means you wanted to enjoy it more, or giving birth to the by the Dharti Mata or something like that. That is Maya. And when you start going inside matter, you are engrossed by her, and it is becomes very difficult to come out of it. Bhagwan Sri Krishna had his interaction with all gopis up till the point of romance. He has not done anything, any vulgar or anything uh, 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 with the gopis or this one. And through the body of Bhagwan Sri Krishna, Parmeshwar Paramatma was experiencing the thrill of romance. There were no bad intention, there was no lust, there was no vulgar intentions or something like that. It was a simply thrilling, mesmerizing magic. We say uh, we say Bhagwan Sri Krishna has enjoyed a lot. Bhagwan Sri Krishna represent every person has got Atmaj and Atman. Atmaj means his love towards his Jiva, and Atman means his love towards Atma Narayana. Bhagwan Sri Krishna, for his Atmaj, means for staying on the earth, for his daily routine, for uplifting and remaining happy in the world, he choose his partner as Rukmini, Jiva, to help him in day-to-day routine, carrying by him to her, and carrying out all the duties. There are a lot of love and affection for the worldly Jiva proceedings. As far as his Atman is concerned, it is Radha. Krishna, Radha, they are not having any, they are having romance at the highest level, but they are not having any physical interaction amongst them. They are not done in the physical interaction. So this is Atman as Atman creation of Parameshwar Paramatma, how one should behave. So when the third generation, when they were more interested in Jiva pattern, in Maya pattern, then lot of unnecessary generations started coming. Those generations which were not required, which were not of intention of Parameshwar Paramatma, were asur. The thing which were done in the say night time, or which were not capable, which were done due to lust or inappropriately at inappropriate time, due to the influence of Mother Earth, not influence, uh, mm, uh, due to uh, conditioning of Mother Earth, asuras have been developed, and with the pious mind, whatever as per the earlier this one, demigods and sages have been created. So we subsequently see how they are they have grown up. Hare Krishna.